Hi Summit Kids, Miss Heather here for our fun daily activity. We're making a bird feeder. Now this took me 2 days because I started so late in the evening. But if you start in the morning and you're able to have time for the glue to dry, you can do it in a day. So kiddos, what you're gonna need for this are obviously popsicle sticks. We have colorful ones. And we use this wood glue. That worked really well. And some string. This is the twine that I use in my kitchen to tie up the chickens. Wipies are good when anytime you're doing any crafts, because when we got glue on our fingers, we just wiped it off with the wipey if we got it on the table. And of course, some bird feed. That's gonna last me probably all summer. I used some tape also. So what I did, so watch the video on how to do this. And then at the end, what I did was I used some of this tape to put on the inside to help the bird feed not stick. So I used tape all around the edges, and then I used 2 pieces of twine. Oh great, it's stuck. What's going on in there? Oh, that's what's going on. I'm not gonna wanna use that piece. Well, I guess it wouldn't matter as long as it's not gonna fall apart. Anyways, we'll do something else with that. So I used 2 pieces, about that long, like a couple feet long. And I simply put them around the bird feeder like this. 1 and 2. And then I got a piece of tape. Oh man, I hate it when that happens. I got a piece of tape. Now my tape's all funky, I'm gonna have to fix it, but you'll get the point. Got a piece of tape and I taped it right in the middle of the cross there, like that, so that when I tie up the bird feeder, it's all even. Yeah. And then, once you're done putting the tape around on the inside, you can get some of your bird feeder and pour it on in. And find a fun place in your backyard or your front yard to put your bird feeder. I hope you have a lot of fun making a bird feeder and watching the birds come and eat the feed, because I sure do. It's one of my favorite things to watch birds. Have a good day, Summit Kids.